In this Studio Ninja review, I'm going to be showing you how you can turn your backgrounds from this to this. And make sure you stay until the end of this review, as I'm also going to be showing you all the different OTOs and upgrades, so you'll know exactly what you're getting into if you decide to purchase. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a seven-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals on upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out Studio Ninja, just go ahead and click the link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in, I just want to show you my bonuses here. I've got a bunch of great bonuses, including some white label rights to some products here. All these will be waiting for you inside of JVZoo after you purchase through my link. Okay, let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says transform your boring video into a realistic, stunning professional virtual studio. Get access to massive virtual studio library included with hundreds of realistic virtual studios and backgrounds, plus video software with all the features you need to get started. So essentially, if you've got like a messy background, like I occasionally do, you can actually go ahead and use the software to create a nice background, just like the one that I'm using right now. So you don't have to worry if you're not in a professional studio, if you're recording from your bedroom, you want to make it look a little bit more professional. You've got kid toys around. I don't know. I've seen some pretty crazy backgrounds. You can use this to make your videos look even nicer with this. So it includes all these different virtual studios and backgrounds included on the front end offer here. It also has green screen, billboards, video players, banners, all these different things that are all added inside. You can see you can take a video like this and turn it into this, video like this, turn it into this. Like you can see the examples here of it, making it look a lot nicer. Like, look at this one, a nice background there. Add in your stuff with it and make it look really nice. You can use it with all the different softwares out there. You can use it with things like Zoom as well, if you want to. And you can see here again, this is the old abstract, there's abstract ones. This is old one. This is video abstract, video old, architecture, outdoor, all kinds of different panoramic ones here, different backdrops that you can put on all of your videos. There's so many of them. You can check them out on the sales page. So for the front end offer, you do get full commercial license with this. So you can actually provide this as a service for people as well. And you're going to get it for a very low one-time price. Now I'm going to show you a really quick demo video and I'll be back to show you the OTOs.
Welcome to Studio Ninja. In this video, I will show you how you can log in to Studio Ninja to download your first virtual set. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to access the library, which is studioninja.club, or you can just click on the link that we send you in the welcome email that we send you. Then after that, all you need to do is to scroll all the way down, then you will see a members login box. Over here, you just need to fill in your username and your password. So your username will be your email and the password will be the password that we have attached in the welcome email that we send you. So now I'm going to log in using my set of username and password. Then I'll click on login. Once you are logged in, you will redirect to the members area page. On this very page here, you will see all the membership that you are subscribed to. Now, to get started on downloading your first virtual set, the first thing that you will notice is that on the header over here, you will be presented with three buttons. One of them is a Ninja library and the other one is a Sensei library, which is the upgrade library. And the other one is browse everything. Now, if you click on browse everything, what the website will do is that it will list down every single one of the virtual sets that is available in both the Ninja and the Sensei library. Depending on the subscription you are subscribed to, you might not have access to the Sensei library because this is basically the upgrade library. So depending if you have upgraded your membership, you might not have access to this very library here. So if you use the browse everything function, you might not be able to download some of the virtual set because some of the virtual set that are being drawn from the browse everything button here, they might be belong to this the upgrade library here. All right, so both the Sensei library and the Ninja library, when you click on it, they have the same layout. So let's get started on the Ninja library. The first thing that you will see is that you will see virtual set static version. So this is the categories for all the virtual sets in the virtual sets static version. And the second group is that the virtual sets video version. So all the categories, all the available categories for the video version of the virtual sets will be listed down here. So it depending on what you want to download. So if you want to download just the static version, you can just use this very group here. And the next thing is depending on which video software you are using. So if you're using anything other than HeatFlame Express, then you can just click on any of the link here. Let's say if we want to download the static version, we click on building, then you can just select the virtual set you want to download. So let's say if I like building number 9, so I just click on this one. Then I just click on the black button here to download this very virtual set. Now for the static version, for every single one of the virtual set in this static category, all right, so we have included both versions of the virtual set. So you get one with the green screen placement area like this, and you will get the other one without the green screen placement. So that provides a lot of flexibility for you in terms of whether or not you want the one with the green screen placement. So you can key out the green screen and place your slideshow, your branding, image, video, or whatever you want to place inside this very green screen area. But if you don't need the green screen area, you can just use the second version, which is the one without the green screen object. Okay, so if you want to download the virtual set for the video version, it's the same as well. Just click on this link over here. So let's say we want to download the backdrop, then there are many backdrop over here you can download. So if you like this one, then you just click into this one, then click on the black download button here. So like the static version, every single one of the video version of the virtual sets are included both version as well. So we have one with a green screen area here, with a green screen placement here, and one is just the backdrop without the green screen placement area. All right, so the next step will be in the situation where you do not have access to any video software, then you can use HeatFlame Express, which is a completely free video software that you can use with all our virtual sets. And one of the very good thing about that is that we even provide you with the templates, with the HeatFlame templates, so you can get started right away. All right, so you can find all the instruction on how to download and how to register and how to activate HeatFlame Express in the quick start guide page right down below. All right, so now let's get started on how you can download the HeatFlame templates to your computer. Now, the first thing that you need to do is that for the virtual set static version, all right, so there was a link here, it says download HeatFlame templates for virtual set static version. So this is basically the link that you need to click on to download all the HeatFlame templates for all the static version for the group over here. All right, so once you're on this page here, then you will see a list of different titles. Say we have travel, we have studio, we have space, we have summer. The way we group the HeatFlame templates are, we group them using the category title. So for space virtual set, if you download this very set here, it will include with all the space virtual set in this very library here. This is this library here. So you only need to download one title. Let's say if you like the summer virtual studio set, if you download this very file here, it will download all the virtual set in the summer category that you can find in the virtual set static version here, which is this very link here, summer. Now, but for the video version, however, is slightly different. It's slightly different in a way is that if you click on the architecture video link here, the HeatFlame Express template would have already included in every single one of these download over here. So if you like architecture number 3, you just click on this one, then you just click on download this product. Then once you click on this download this product, the archive would have already included with the HeatFlame Express project file, including the virtual background for this very file here. And that's it for this welcome video. We hope that you will enjoy Studio Ninja.
Okay, so the first upgrade they're going to offer you here says take it to the next level with the library upgrade. It's going to give you the highest access here with 2 more unique virtual studios and backgrounds added inside. You get commercial license to this as well. You get the more backgrounds added in there for it. So you can have all those different backgrounds added in here. You get access to the highest level, total of 1,100 additional studio backgrounds, one-time fee, commercial license for a one-time price. Next one is green screen backdrops and the upsized version, so you get access to 10,000 plus HD green screen backdrops with this. So if you want even more of them, you can get it with this one here. See if I can find you the price for this. I know you guys like to see that. Well, there's tons of them. Look at all the stuff that's included. You can check it out when you get to the page. $47 for that. There is an unlimited access to the Video Resource Club here. So if you want to get access to the unlimited access and downloads to tens of thousands of ever-growing video resources in here, motion backgrounds, all these different things, tons and tons of stuff included in this one. Of course, it's optional to pick this up if you want to. This one, I just saw the price, $67. It's a one-time special. So it's, even though they're adding stuff in on a growing basis. The last one here is their ultimate membership for video presentation, graphic, and other rich media. So it's got a bunch of extra stuff added in here. Find the price for you. And you can get this for one time without a reoccurring for $197, or you can pay monthly for $17. So it's up to you which one you want to get. All these different OTOs and upgrades, completely optional. You can choose which ones you want and forget the ones that you don't. Okay, so what do I like about Studio Ninja and what don't I like about it? If I had to say something that I don't like about it, you will need to go through some tutorials in order to learn like how to do the green screen stuff and how to put these behind you. It's not too hard, but just know that you will need to give yourself like 10, 15 minutes to learn how to do it. What do I like about this? I know that there are people that have problems having backgrounds. I know there are times when I want to record something and my wife is doing pottery and stuff behind me, and I have to clean up my kitchen and make sure it looks really nice. Like this is like my kitchen is my place for recording, but sometimes it's not ideal. So it would be nice to have a way of putting up a nice background and being able to do that, just like the background I have right here. I know a lot of you have that problem as well. So if you do, or if you consider perhaps providing this as a service to people, then definitely check this out. Thank you so much for checking out my review today. If you want to take a look at Studio Ninja, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out my YouTube channel, and I appreciate it. And hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again in my next review video. Thanks.